Hello, École Intuit Lab. My name is Rafael Esquer.
Hello, I'm Stéphane,
I'm a graphic designer. I run a studio called Alfalfa Studio in New York City.
a French art director from the south of France.
And I'm here in beautiful Delhi teaching a workshop. The workshop is called Poster Making and Cultural Identity. And the students are going to be doing a poster like this, similar to the one that workshop that I did in Mumbai. The purpose is to be familiar with infographics, with icon making, and just really having fun and working as a team all together, creating a poster that is called Iconic New Delhi, and that will be available soon.
I'm here for 2 weeks in India, the first week in New Delhi and the second in Mumbai for an international workshop based on motion design.
I had the pleasure of having 16 students from different levels.
For the first one, we worked on the video clip composed by 7 pieces. At the end, we just have to connect all the pieces to make a video clip. It's very interesting to observe just a new way, new stuff, new process.
Do you have any advice for the young designers?
Yeah, well, they are in artistic direction because I thought that artistic direction is one of the foundation of the graphic design in motion, in photography, in layout, in editorial. It's my best advice. And other one is to be very curious, very, very curious.
One advice that I will give the students is just to be more adventurous, to be more experimental, to push themselves a little bit more beyond the brief so they can really discover more of their creativity. Creativity is like a muscle that we have to practice and train is like going to the gym. So the more you do it, the better you get at it. So my advice is that the students to experiment more and to just go beyond the brief, just push yourself. There's lots of very talented students here, and I hope that they all do well in their professional life, and I'm sure they will.
Thank you.